awfully retarded video. Today I'm showing you how to create a PC setup. Number 1, please get a monitor. Must be RTX. I must have 15K on it, right? Best Nvidia. Go on my eBay page and buy a special Dell monitor, right? Then here's keyboard. We don't want it. It's not cool enough. We need more lights. Lots of lights. Then get a $400 million euro gaming PC mouse with special buttons at the side. Yes, very good. Then you want to get fuck's sake. Then you want to get a super duper cool gaming mouse for €400 each on eBay. Right? No, not Amazon. Amazon's actually good. Okay, then you want to get a super duper gaming mouse to go with this, so you can get your gaming grooves on. Right, you're also going to need a third monitor and a fourth monitor. Okay, very good. You're just going to need spare keyboards and 4 different speakers, okay? Your super duper gaming headset. All this needs to light up as well. All this needs to light up. That needs 4 cables need connected. Then you need your super duper gaming PC that costs $4,000 and you can only buy it once a year and it always gets sold out. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy my awesome PC build. Thank you. Bye.